Hello and welcome back to our road to 1000 elo. We've lost the last three matches, so I've done some grinding and studying off camera. So I hope we get to play as white because I try to study the London. I don't know how it's gonna go, but as I've lost the last three matches pretty badly, I figured I need some help. Um, I also got one of my friends to help me understanding the game, so shout out to him, love. Let's go. Please, white. White! Okay. So we play the London like this. We defend, and we created a nice little pyramid here. Oof! Sliding back, sliding back. Keep that alive. Let's create a triangle. Our plan is to move our bishop there and our knight here. Yeah, let's do that. Very positional versus Lankara. Lankara shredded. No, where's my game? No! Okay, there we are. Delete that. Okay. Okay, he plays that. Okay, I've lost some time here. Let's play the knight 2 here. Very, very positional. I don't know if he is playing good. He's attacking my queen. I think moving the queen here, attacking that pawn, that's a good idea. I can kick out his bishop. He takes in the center. I'm gonna take back this way. And I'm gonna kick out. Oof, a good move. But he doesn't let. That is unprotected. Yeah, and I'm attacking the knight so as to move again. He misses the knight. That's a free knight for me. Or does he have some devious plans here? No, I'll just take the knight, thank you. We're getting serious now. I've done some studying. It's over with the games. Complete focus mode. I'm not gonna lose anymore. I cannot lose. I know theory now. I'm invincible. Invincible. Ah! Yeah, what you gonna do now? I still want to get rid of his bishop. He's taking his sweet little time. He's castling. He's castling. If I can get rid of... Oh no, his queen attacks that as well. I think that's a very decent move. Just gonna develop this knight, giving me the option to castle. He's attacking my queen. Okay. Cannot go that much places. Ooh, I cannot go there. I can go there. Ooh. Ooh, almost out of time. We go here. I think he's gonna slide his bishop back. Yeah, that's the move I would have gone for. And so now we go here. Yeah. We have a brutal attack. Check. Slides his king over. Check. Slides his king back. Oh, he's gonna repeat his moves. I'm gonna take him there. I don't know if this is good. We're all out of theory. We're free winging it. But we're up material. Oh, fucker. I'm check. I'm check. Holy shit. No way. No way this is happening again. No way! No. No, 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 no. Oh. GG's. 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 GG. GG. No, he's not. No, he was. Let's try that again. Let's hope we get white again. Okay, we're lower rated than we started. Okay, no, we're black. Okay, now I have no idea what to do. Now we're just gonna play. We're just gonna play. Maybe that's the thing I need to do. It's another Indian. The Indian people are my downfall. No thinking, just playing. Just play with the heart. I've got the heart of the chess. They don't have the heart. Or do they? Going here. I'm just gonna take. I'm just gonna take. And we're up. We're up! Let's go. Fine, I'll defend. Very big commitment. I'll defend him that way. So I open up my bishop, and no, I don't want to castle that way. I think I blocked my. No, I think that's fine. I cannot do that though. I can, however. Ooh. I can give him a check, but does that do anything for me? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. I think I cannot strike in the center, but if I do this, I can do that afterwards. Oh, he can lock me out. Yes, that's a good move. That's a good move. I'll move into the center though, but my knight is not protected, so I don't really like that. And I blundered it. But he doesn't see it. He takes that pawn. He now has a passed pawn. Let's defend our knight. And we're gonna castle. Yes, you missed that one. One move too late. Now my queen is hanging on to everything for me. But my queen itself is not defended. I'm not gonna lose that, so don't worry. Don't worry. Not foreshadowing anything here. Knock it off. He has that lined up. I think it's very dangerous to castle that way. I'm gonna attack his queen here. Both of our kings completely in the open. Throwing troops in front of it. Slide it back, that's what I thought. Let's castle. And now we have like a line. Big attack coming in. Let's double the rooks. No, we cannot. Yeah, we can if we do it there. His bishop is blocked, not good. His rooks are inactive. I have an active rook, I have open queen, very active bishops. I think I'm good here. But I've thought that in the past as well. And I might have a little hand of throwing my games. Play, man, play. You're taking way too long. I think I'm gonna double up my rooks here. Place that one behind. Boom! Launch an attack. Chris 123 doesn't know. Okay. Well, I was thinking that's a free pawn, but I'll lose my queen if I do that. So let's not go for that. I can take this pawn though. Make it a little bit easier for me to double everything. Ooh! And again he misses. Not to worry, we attack. That can happen, he is up. Material now. There's his queen. I see what he's up to. He's trying to capture that piece. He can. I'm just gonna finish him then. He's defending his piece. I'm just gonna attack. Full out attack. Guns blazing. Yeah, fine. I take that. Thank you very much. We go here. Good move, I think. I think the best move there is. He takes. I take. He doesn't have a queen anymore. This should be over. Take. I take. And we have a queen. Queen and a bishop versus a rook. Let's take that pawn, attack the rook. He can have my pawn. If he doesn't gonna take because I defended. I defended. Don't listen to that. He attacks. Okay. I'll take that for free. And now it should be over. Let's see if I can checkmate him. Or if I need an extra pawn. Okay, he cannot move his king from the other rank. I'm just gonna push an extra pawn. And that's it. We finally win again. We finally win again. I did make 2 mistakes. Ooh, but that feels good. That feels really good. I feel relieved. Thanks for supporting me in the series. Thanks for all the views. Thanks for the subscribers. I feel very grateful. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.